Hello, YouTube. Thank you for supporting me on my new video. Actually, 2 new videos. 6, 7. Thank you for watching them, giving me 121 121 more views, and thank you for the subscriber. Text your name in the comments into the video and you will get a shout out from me. And if you're thinking that I should start a stop motion animation, I can at least try, and if it doesn't go as well, let's say it'll be pretty good. But till then, I love you guys. Like and subscribe, view, share, do anything. I'm not going to force you to like and subscribe and share. Hold on. Crap. He's don't even think about it. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. If you see a cat in my background, that is one of my cats. This is one of my most Lego sets my most favorite Lego set. I made my, more stop motion animations, but those are gone. So all I have now is one over there. Posting of that will come soon. Then I finished that before I finished this. Cause this one, never mind. If you want me to do a stop motion animation with this, but it will be real difficult because this took me so long and has already started collecting dust. But, just go into the comments to, or I'll just post something for you guys to choose your answer if I should start a stop motion animation or I don't start one. It's your choice that I start one or I don't start one. It's your choice. I'm not forcing. Just, please answer honestly. If you want to, if you want me to, or you don't want me to. So yeah, like and subscribe. Not forcing. I'm gonna go get that other Lego set. This took me really, really long. But this is based off from one of my characters from Skibidi Toilet. The Camera Drone 5.0. I meant 10.0. Wait, hold on. This took me like 2 hours to make because it kept on falling apart. One of the pieces are over here. Yup, got it. This is one of the pieces for the plasma blaster. It's blue. You can do clear ones if you want to. But I like to use the blue ones because it's from the cameraman's side. I even added some of the pieces from Titan TV Man Lego set over there. And this also has an animation. I even added an Astro Detainer arm based on the lower Plasma Blaster. Right here. Added a halo to this one. A halo. Crap! Well, at least I don't need a tutorial to make this. So, yeah. If you actually want a tutorial, this is gonna be a 2 hour, like a 2 hour long video, because I feel like I made this for 2 hours. But also type in the comments from the video if you want me to make a tutorial for this Lego figure I made. Second Plasma Blaster for the side. I even added head armor to it. That's what makes it real cool. But some of the pieces will easily break off. If you want to make it yourself, go ahead. But you can do anything. Make it a Lofty character from Lofty Studios, or you can do something else for it. I ain't gonna force you up, mate. You guys are my biggest supporters and my biggest dreams. So thank you guys for supporting me through my way for my first time of YouTube. So thanks a lot. I will play Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 soon. This is the full model. If you're wondering why there's not one right here, is because I don't have enough pieces for it. And I don't have another one of these Plasma Blasters or one of these to make it like it's shooting a laser. I don't have any of those pieces to make another one. And I also added head armor. Like this. First, these two go. This broke for a while until I finally found the right pieces for me to make it where the head cannot be seen. Like that. And this. Boom. Easy. Okay. I might make a tutorial for 2026. I know that's a long, long time away. But just know that if I'm gone, I haven't posted in a while. That means I'm doing some stuff. I'm playing with my friends on my PS5. Playing Steelbringer. My server, my name on Roblox for my phone is MoneyBoy2015. That will be in the post for this and my Tiny TV Man Lego set figure. And if you want to play with me on 99 Nights in the Forest, go ahead. I bought Robux with 10. I bought gems with the Robux I got when I got the admin panel in Steel Brain Rot. So I got 100. So I have the alien one now. I have the alien. I have the alien thing. But if you can remember my name from this video that I might gonna post in like 10 minutes or something, I don't know, go ahead and smash that like button. I will maybe post some videos about my life with a freaking lizard, which I can literally not find anywhere. which is probably in the coconut. Right there. Okay? It's right there. The coconut right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's a female leopard gecko named Roxy. I got her from the South Bend from the South Bend Mall, from the pet shop there, and we got it even though I wanted a snake. But she was really, really small, like a baby. Now, she's like a complete adult. She's meant to grow 6 inches long. I think she is at that point right now. But if you have a PS5 or anything that you can use to chat on, I will show you my name. So, hold on. Don't make fun of my last name, even though I hate it. Profile. Okay. This is my profile picture, and this is my name. But it's champboy_boy15. I'm on Roblox. Games, Roblox, Fortnite, Astro's Playroom, Minecraft, Poppy Playtime Chapter 4, Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, Marvel Rivals, I cannot play Grand Theft Auto 5 anymore for some reason. Darn it, I have... What the freak is that? For Garden Abandonment 6? What the heck? What is that? Why does Bitter Giggle look like that? Rocket League, Plants vs. Zombies GW2. Cannot play this because me and my cousins tried doing it. Marvel's Spider-Man 2 was really fun to play. Almost done. Bendy in the Dark Revival. I played it for 7 hours. I had to use some videos. It was the 1436 or something. Mortal Kombat 11. Cannot play. I played it. Why would they change the cover to Garden Abandonment 7, which I played 5 months ago? Played this 5 months ago with my brother, my big brother, which I got freaking smoked because I have not played Mortal Kombat in so long. Among Us, my first Gran Turismo, I deleted that because it sucks. Lego Horizon Adventures, Trademark. Fortnite again? What? I played it for 1,854 hours, and I played this 7 months ago. That was a real old version. 2K25, my big brother played. This cannot be played. All of these I got. Choo Choo Charles? Man, Gorilla Tag? Nope. I cannot play any of these because it's from my really old account that had my best stuff ever. And there you go. I will post all of this later. So like and subscribe for more. I love you guys so much, and enjoy your day. Goodbye. Peace out, my dudes.